Hi everyone. This short video is going to introduce you to the library's general search bar. The library's general search bar is extremely useful if you already know the name, the title, the writer, or the specific source that you're looking for. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the library website. Once you get to the library website, what you'll notice is in the center of the page, if you scroll down a bit, is this general search bar. The search bar is going to let you search for articles, books, video, and audio, or you can search all of the databases that the library has. So the great thing about the search bar is that you don't have to go through a bunch of different databases, but the kind of negative aspect of this search bar is that because it's going to search everything, it's not a great way to begin any sort of research. To put it really simply, you're going to get way too much information. For the purpose of our class, though, we know the specific article, title, and author that we want to search for. So we're going to use this search bar to find the particular article. Because we're using Boolean search characteristics, we want to make sure that we put the title in quotes so that we get the exact title and not every title that includes those words. So once you type in the title using quotes, what you'll see is that your results will pop up if the library has that specific source. You'll be able to access it directly through one of these links. What you want to make sure of is that you can get to a full text source if that's what you're looking for. So all you have to do is click on the citation. At this point, oftentimes if you're not on a campus computer, you'll have to sign in using your OutLink. So from here, you get a direct link to the specific source that you're looking for. So as I said before, this is not a great resource to use if you have a really general topic. For instance, if I was only searching for keywords, what I'm going to get is over 2 million results. And as you can see, just from the first few results, these aren't what we're looking for at all. So this basic library search bar, it functions kind of like a Google search in that you will get a ton of information, but not necessarily the specific sources you're looking for. Again, it's really strong and really helpful if you know the exact article that you're looking for or a really specific keyword or specific topic, but it's not a good place to start.